Hi, this is Burr Stewart with a quick break for a little rail fanning. I was down at the Interbay yard in Seattle the other day. This is the year 2022. And I heard some train noise, so I climbed up the berm to look over into the yard, and this is what I saw. There's been a lot of track work, tie replacement work in the Seattle area the last couple of months. So it appears that they've staged some of the ties in Interbay yard, and this is one of these trench trains that I guess they use for ties and maybe dirt and ballast. In case you don't believe me, here's the view I took recently of the main line north of Seattle, and you can see all these ties stacked up ready for the work train to come out and do their job. You can see them on both sides of the pedestrian bridge there, but ooh, where was I? Oh yeah, we were looking at this work train in Interbay. So here's just a scan of the train, what we can see of it from here anyway. I took a few still shots so I can zero in on some of the interesting equipment. I can't tell for sure, but it looks like the two hoppers on the left are full of ballast and the two on the right might be empty. But in any case, they just took the two on the right and added it to their train. Here's the 5 trench cars. They're sharing their trucks. It's pretty cool. Here's a close-up of the front-end loader in the middle of the trench train. I never had anything against those bulkhead flats with the opera windows either. Well, back to the live action now. We have a brakeman riding on the back end there. That is about the coolest BN logo washed out with the BNSF reporting marks underneath. I might have to model that one day. Let's take a closer look at that beauty. Very nice. That backup beep is probably an indication that this train is being shoved by a truck. And there it is. I wonder if in the old days they would have used a regular locomotive for this. On the other hand, I never saw a locomotive with a working crane. That must be handy. You can see the workmen there walking back to their truck. It's a pretty nice day in Seattle. Here's an overview of the whole train. Well, I guess we're going to back up some more. Let's zoom in so you can see the action of those rubber-tired wheels trying to get traction on the steel rail. Cool. Well, that was about all the time I had for rail fanning yesterday, so I guess we'll go back to Car Creek Park and wait for the work train to come and insert all those new ties. So for now, I hope you enjoyed this quick rail fanning break, and this is Burr Stewart wishing you much fun with trains.